Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of budget skincare routines, specifically designed for oily skin in 2025. We'll explore affordable options that won't compromise on quality, helping you achieve that fresh, balanced complexion. This video is all about empowering you with knowledge and practical tips so you can maintain a consistent skincare routine without breaking the bank. Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started on your journey to healthier skin. Oily skin is characterized by an overproduction of sebum, leading to a shiny appearance and enlarged pores. Common causes include genetics, hormonal changes, and even diet. Managing excess oil is crucial, as using the wrong products can exacerbate the issue, leading to breakouts and irritation. Additionally, environmental factors like humidity and pollution can further impact oily skin, making it essential to choose the right skincare products. By understanding these characteristics and challenges, you can better tailor your routine to achieve a balanced and healthy complexion. Cleansing is a crucial first step in any skincare routine, especially for oily skin. It helps remove excess oil, dirt, and impurities that can lead to breakouts. For a budget-friendly option, we recommend CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, which effectively cleanses without stripping your skin of essential moisture. To properly cleanse, use lukewarm water and gently massage the cleanser onto your face for about 30 seconds before rinsing. Remember, a gentle yet effective cleansing routine is key to maintaining a healthy balance and preventing irritation. Toners play a vital role in managing oily skin by helping to balance your skin's pH and control oil production. An excellent budget-friendly option is Thayer's Witch Hazel Toner, known for its soothing properties. Using a toner after cleansing can minimize the appearance of pores and prepare your skin for the next steps in your routine. It's essential to choose alcohol-free toners, especially for sensitive skin, as they provide hydration without causing irritation. Incorporating a toner can enhance your overall skincare routine and promote a healthier complexion. Many people with oily skin mistakenly skip moisturizing, but it's essential for maintaining a healthy complexion. Lightweight moisturizers like Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream provide hydration without feeling heavy or greasy. Proper hydration can actually help regulate oil production, preventing your skin from overcompensating and becoming even oilier. When choosing a moisturizer, look for non-comedogenic products to avoid clogged pores and breakouts. Remember, moisturizing is a crucial step in your skincare routine, even for oily skin types, to achieve that balanced, radiant glow. Sun protection is a crucial component of any skincare routine, especially for those with oily skin. Budget-friendly options like La Roche-Posay and Thelios Clear Skin Oil-Free Sunscreen provide effective protection without clogging pores. Sun exposure can worsen oily skin issues, leading to increased breakouts and irritation. It's essential to apply sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days, as harmful UV rays can penetrate through clouds and damage your skin. By incorporating sun protection into your routine, you can help maintain a clear, healthy complexion while preventing long-term skin damage. Exfoliation and masks play a significant role in managing oily skin by removing dead skin cells and absorbing excess oil. For an affordable exfoliant, consider the ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution, which effectively unclogs pores and promotes a smoother texture. Additionally, clay masks are excellent for absorbing excess oil and minimizing shine. Aim to incorporate exfoliation into your routine once a week, while clay masks can be used once or twice weekly, depending on your skin's sensitivity. These treatments can enhance your overall skincare regimen and promote a clearer complexion. Managing oily skin goes beyond your skincare routine. Lifestyle changes can make a significant difference. Start by encouraging a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, which provide essential nutrients for healthy skin. Staying hydrated is equally important, so aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out toxins and maintain skin elasticity. Additionally, stress management plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin, as stress can trigger excess oil production. Incorporating these lifestyle tips can lead to a clearer, more balanced complexion over time. In this video, we explored the essentials of a budget skincare routine for oily skin, highlighting the importance of cleansing, toning, moisturizing, sun protection, and weekly treatments. Remember, choosing the right products and maintaining a consistent routine can significantly improve your skin's health without breaking the bank. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with friends who might benefit, and check out our related content for more skincare tips and tricks.